Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So we'll be doing this in the key of F sharp. So basically we'll be doing the 7-3-6 on the key of F sharp. So it's gonna be our 7, which is our F, F on the bass, E flat, A flat, and B on the right hand. Which is your B flat dominant 7 and your E flat minor 9, your E flat minor 9. So let's use a song. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. Okay, so let's use the song. Never could have made it without you. I'll never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all, but now I see how you are there for me. Never could have made it without you. Never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all, but now I see how you are there for me. I sing, I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm stronger. Basically, use this. F, another way of approaching your 7-3-6 is your F minor 9. And then for your 3, you can actually approach it as. So that is your B flat. Your B flat, on the left hand, you've got your B flat, you've got your D, you've got your E, you've got your A flat, and while on your right hand, you've got your D, your E, and your B flat. But then there's a trio. So let's go again. Never could have made it without you. I never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all, but now I see how you are there for me. I say, never could have made it without you. Never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all. I thought I knew. So let me try and do the movement again with the song, like doing the loud, using it as the 2 now. That's chord. Using it as the 2 now. So that will be the 2 on the key of C sharp. Never could have made it without you. Yeah, this is where we're gonna put it. So, never could have made it without you. So let's do it again. Never could have made it without you. Okay, no. Never could have made it without you. Never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all. But now, can you hear that? I'll see how you are there for me. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better. So I'm stronger, I'm wiser. Ooh, ooh. Hey, come on now. So yeah, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe, because at least this is it will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video out there. Share it with your friends. Like, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click. I don't know where it's gonna be, but make sure you click on the subscribe button. See you soon, and don't forget to also implement this chord in your playing on the E flat, on the E flat, on the E flat, on the E flat, on the E flat. You do like never could have.